Why and me post number 2. All right, bang, guys. So first things foremost, so this is the trading stats for today. Yesterday we did the break even trade, and then today we made a calm little $900. So with that being said, we're about halfway done with the eval on this account, and yeah, just let me run you through my trade for today, and yeah, okay, guys. So first things first, we hop in, market open. We're gonna mark out our key levels. So today I think I did the 1 hour, the 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So you see all my lines. They all have some meaning, some target of liquidity. Some of them are a little off, but that's because it's from a little while ago. I don't know how else to explain that other than these lines are just targeting pools of liquidity. All right, bang. So market opens at 6:30. Everybody. So if we look over here at 6:30, my overall bias was for today was going to be that it was going to go short for a little while. And yeah, so with my strategy, um, I'm looking for places where I know prices haven't been agreed upon. So for example, down here on the blue, I entered, but I took myself out of this trade due to the fact that I just didn't have enough indicators to really throw me in there. I was basically just going blind since market opened for maybe 5 minutes, and I was like, all right, bang. And yeah, I pretty much I wanted to take a free trade right there. I could have held, but I just wasn't trusting it. You feel me? So I took these two trades right here, um, and yeah, I pretty much made like $200 on those trades, so 100 per. And it was just a bad trade, if we're being 100% honest. Way too premature. And as you see, that candle could have been bad if I closed it at the wrong time. And yeah, I'm really just trying to give myself fair trades, not really fight with it, and have free will. So with my strategy, that being said, so here's the other trade that we took. Okay, so pretty much what happened from market open. All right, let's go to 30-minute. If you would load, there we go. So pretty much, here's our market structure. Okay, let's go to the 1 day chart as well. As you guys can see, our highs are towards 29.72. Our lows have been 29.51. So yeah, so pretty much what I like doing, I like it gives you the visual line to see what the trend base is, right? So we hop back on the 1 minute, and yeah, pretty much what I did today, I saw that price was going very heavy in one direction. It hit one of my levels, so instead of taking this trade, as you guys can see, we're on live charts, so price is still moving. But yeah, very basic setup. I really just wanted to take my money today and just get out because I need a dookie, if we're being 100% honest. So I needed a dookie, and I took this trade off of this level. So pretty much, I don't know how else to explain it other than there's a lot that goes in, and after noticing certain trends, you would enter. So my basis for this entry, I entered down here in blue, and then we sold over here at the peak because I didn't really want to deal with it. You feel me? So pretty much price was moving one direction for a cool little 20 minutes. 20 minutes of just straight nonstop sell action. Sell, sell, sell. So here at this candle, I wanted to enter, but I was like, no. I have a key level right here. I'm just gonna wait for the retracement. Easy free money. Right? So price reaches down here, right? And then I just take my initial sweep up. I won't even lie to you, those were the freest candles of all time. I didn't dip down under once. Okay? I know the strategy is known as wicked, and pretty much what you're doing is you're fighting key levels, and you're just waiting for that momentum right there. That's your trade. So this was a wicked trade, and yeah, pretty much my stop loss was right under. And with that type of strategy, if you're wrong, you're wrong. That's really the reality of it. Sometimes you're just wrong. You can't win them all. That's just the reality of it. And yeah, pretty much what I expected price to do. it happened. And you know, I would rather make this video for you guys trying to explain my trade rather than, fight my emotions when I'm already up for the day and chase this trade, you know? Because I could have very easily stayed on the charts, blah, 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 blah. But no, I need to take a dookie. Therefore, I made my money. I made my money. 2 calm trades. Yeah, and as I said in the previous video, once you make your money, bro, this is really what you gotta do. You see this MacBook, it's open.